Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making another recipe inspired by the Christmas season that is upon us. We'll be making this amazing chocolate peppermint cupcake. You'll get a fluffy chocolate cupcake filled with chocolate peppermint ganache and topped with whipped dark chocolate ganache. Yes, this cupcake is for the chocolate lovers. I'll leave the full recipe in the description box or you can check it out on my Instagram. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. Quickly mix the dry ingredients until they're fully combined. Mix in the wet ingredients until it's nice and smooth, but make sure to not overmix it. Using a scoop, fill up the cups halfway through. Finally, chop the chocolate. Heat up the cream until it starts to simmer and then turn off the heat immediately. Pour the cream over the chocolate and let it sit for 5 minutes. Use a whisk to combine the ingredients. Pour 1/3 of the chocolate ganache recipe into a new bowl and then add the peppermint extract. Put the peppermint ganache into a piping bag and you can use saran wrap to close the bag. Now pour the remaining 2/3 of chocolate ganache into a mixing bowl and whip it until it's slightly thicker. You won't be able to get stiff peaks, but it's okay. Just put it into a piping bag and leave it in the fridge. The toothpick will come out clean if the cupcake is ready. Use a knife to scoop out the middle of the cupcakes. Fill up the middle of the cupcake with peppermint ganache. And then pipe the whipped ganache on top. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this festive recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button with the notification bell on. See you next time!